Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin' Stilettos and I'm back with another craft haul. Oh my goodness me, now I did not go out today to buy craft items, promise you I didn't. All intentions were to get some, I did have to get some elastic because I have been making some, I'll show you what I've been making, some little travellers journals, notebooks, so I needed some elastic, so I will be doing a tutorial on one of these later on in the week, or next week I should say now. So I only went out for elastic and a blind because they didn't have it in stock the other day, and they didn't have it in stock today either. But of course I had to go and have a look at the craft section, and they have new gorgeous goodies. Oh my gosh, I tell you something now, I'm never going to be rich. Anyway, I had to share them with you because, oh my gosh, they are just too cute. More gorgeous goodies, new gorgeous products. Now, the other day when I went in there, I did get some reduced gorgeous things, and I thought, okay, they're oh, I don't know, what do you say, when they discontinued. So I did buy some. Didn't think that they were doing that because they were bringing in new ones, did I? So anyway, these are some of the gorgeous. I couldn't get them all because I didn't have enough money on me, but I did get some. So we have these gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. How many times can I say gorgeous in a video? Character wooden pegs, 8 of them. Look. Oh my goodness me. They are just adorable. Look at those. I had to have them. I've got a problem, I know. I had to have them. They are just too gorgeous. And then they have these new stamps. Look at her with the honey, the honeycomb? No, beehive. Beehive, oh my gosh. I'm losing the plot. And look, the little bees and that. Look, she's just adorable. And then this one with all the butterflies. And as you know, I love my butterflies. And she's got, look, little rabbits on her dress, and these are quite big stamps, so I'm going to probably make a couple of cards with these next week. Look at those. They are going to be so much fun colouring these in as well. I mean, you wouldn't really need much else on the card really because she's so big, but I just love them. I had to have them. I think there was about 5 in total, so I picked 2 for now. I might have to go back. Oh dear goodness. So that's the stamps, and they had these as well. Look at these 9 little character stamps. They are just cute. I mean, she looks like my little Francesca granddaughter, and she looks like Jessica, my granddaughter Jessica. So it's so cute that they have the 2 sort of looks for gorgeous. But look, I am going to have a lot of fun with those. Then they had these washi tapes. Look, with her on, and a little dispenser. Just too adorable. I had to make this video because I want to get them out the pack and start using them. So I thought, look, oh my gosh, just love it. And these, now these I thought were a real bargain. I have ripped the top off to have a look. Now these are stickers, so how cool are these going to be for your planners and your journals? And there are 75 little stickers in here. Look. Now I've got a ongoing junk journal that I've made. A Happy Planner junk journal. So I am going to get these out later and go crazy. I don't know if I can put any more gorgeouses in there. But look at all these different little characters of her. Just too cute. Some I've not even seen actually. These are some of the new ones that are out that I saw today. This one's a new one. That's not a new one. That one's a new one. And that one. They had the big stamp in that one. I saw it. Oops, and I've just dropped them all. And look, my puddles of love. I think, yeah, she's the new one, the little butterfly one. And she's a new one as well. There. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to have a lot of fun. Oh no, don't drop them. With these. So I just had to show you them. Okay, and I did get my elastic, even though it wasn't the elastic I wanted. So I've actually ordered some online. So that's those, and I think that's all of the gorgeous things. That's my elastic that I got. I just got some for now. And then, oh, I know I bought a craft mat the other day, but I saw this little diddy-do one for $2.99, and I just thought it might come in handy. So that was a real bargain, that was really, for $2.99. And then I went into another shop, The Works, and no, I know, more washi tapes. More washi tapes, but look, how can you turn down 2, 4, 5, 10 washi tapes for £2? And they're thinner as well, they're quite thin. And then we've got these polka dot ones. So I now have another 16 plus those two 18 to go to my collection. I really need to start using them a bit more. So we have these washi tapes, and look at these little cute ones. There are 6 in here for £1, little tiny ones, and I thought that these would be great for your you could even put that on your planner somehow and have that in there, so that, you know, if you are out or you're in the car as a passenger, you could get them out and start decorating. But you could actually hang that somehow in your planner, I'm sure, and carry those little ones with you. Quite portable, aren't they? So you've always got washi tapes with you. I know, losing the plot. So these are my gorgeous things for today, on my elastic and my cutting mat. So as you can see, I've been busy again. So I hope you've enjoyed this craft haul. I am nearly finished in my craft room, so probably Monday or Tuesday I will give you a tour. There's a couple of things still need doing in here, but it's kind of ready to go, you know, to sort of see some action in here. So can't wait. So take care for now, and see you all very soon. Bye bye.